ba? A long time ago, may MCLE sa Davao, andun ako, and we were talking about the juvenile justice law. And I was the only one defending the kids. Kasi gusto talaga ng ibang mga lawyers, kahit 12 years old, kulong yung mga yan. And I understand the need, or the basic human need yung order talaga. But that's a very archaic notion that your children are your property. No? That's Roman law. Kinampihan ako ni PRD. And I realized later on that he has a lot of charities for children. So children in conflict with the law, children who are victims, children who dami niyang cancer. So na-realize ko later on na sabi ko, sir, naalala mo yon? Kasi siya yung mayor of Davao at the time. We're taking MCLE. Tapos kinampihan niya ako in a room full of lawyers, everybody who wanted to lower criminal liability and all that for children. Sinabi ko talaga, ang bata kasi, garbage in, garbage out yan. I mean, it takes a village. So if they are in a village of people who commit crimes regularly, normally, they will imbibe those values. So if you're going to rescue a child in conflict with the law, you must put him in an environment where the law